and welcome to Johnson County Community College. Did you know you can take college courses while still in high school? College Now is the concurrent enrollment or dual credit program at JCCC where, in the high school setting, students are able to take designated courses that earn them college credit. 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students can earn college credit before finishing high school. Here's what you need to know about College Now. First, please go to www.jccc.edu/collegenow. In the middle box that says Courses Offered, click High Schools and College Now courses. You will see all of JCCC's partner high schools and their dual credit offerings available to you. The college classes available are dependent on the college qualified faculty at your school. You'll also see the name of your designated College Now contact person, who is known as your building rep. This individual is the liaison between your high school and JCCC and can answer any questions you have about College Now. If you notice any classes from your high school's list that spark your interest, you'll get started by applying for admission to JCCC and activating your student email account. Go back to the College Now webpage and in the enrollment box, click Check Eligibility and Enroll. Under Step 1, click Start an Application. You will be guided through steps to set up a dynamic forms account to complete your application. If you have been enrolled in a JCCC course anytime over the last 4 semesters, you are not required to apply for admission again. We recommend that the application be completed early. It can actually be done months before enrollment opens. Just be sure to carefully select the semester in which you are planning to start. Fall is the first semester of the year, which is August through December. Spring is the second semester, which is January through May. If you have any questions on this step, please contact the admissions department at 913-469-3803. Once you've completed your admissions application and have activated your student email account, you will need to determine if placement testing is needed for your desired courses. Certain courses require a placement test to appropriately assess how prepared you are to be successful. You'll know if placement testing is needed by referring back to your high school's schedule and reviewing the prerequisites. The prerequisites indicate any requirements for enrolling in the course. While you are there, you'll also want to take note of if your course is transferable. If you see the course listed as a KBRT Seamless Transfer course, it is guaranteed to transfer to any college or university in Kansas. In addition, if you see a memo that designates the course as an Excel in CTE course, CTE standing for Career and Technical Education, the cost of your tuition will be waived for that course as long as you meet JCCC Kansas residency requirements for enrollment. If after reviewing the prerequisites, you meet the placement requirement by way of an ACT score or your high school GPA, you can upload the appropriate documentation on the JCCC website. Click on Learn More About Placement under Step 2 and scroll down to where you can upload the documents. You will receive an email to your JCCC student email account confirming the waiver. All waiver notifications, whether accepted or denied, will be communicated via email to your JCCC student email account. If you do not meet the placement requirement by way of an ACT score or your high school GPA, taking the AccuPlacer placement test or taking the ALEX PPL assessment will be your next step. The AccuPlacer assesses your reading and writing skills, while ALEX PPL assesses your math skills. A testing appointment can be scheduled online through the same webpage where the documents can be uploaded. Placement testing is facilitated on campus in the Testing Services Office, which is in the Student Center, but some practice assessments are available online beforehand. Please review the placement testing webpage to find more information about each assessment. Be sure to bring a current photo ID and your JCCC student number when you come in for testing. No personal items such as hats, cell phones, or other electronics, watches, sunglasses, calculators, and notebooks are not allowed in the testing center. So So please remember to lock personal items in your car or leave them with the person who brought you to your appointment. Once testing is complete, you will receive a printed score report to inform you of your placement status. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Testing Center at 913-469-4439. Finally, it's time to register for classes. You will need the 5-digit CRN number for each class you want to take. Please refer to your high school's schedule for the correct CRN numbers. Jot them down and then log in to your My JCCC account and click the green Add Drop Classes button. Select the appropriate term or semester. On the registration screen, enter your CRNs. Once you have finished entering your courses, click Submit. If you have any questions or have trouble registering, please call 913-469-3803. Step 3 on the enrollment webpage also guides you through how to enroll. Last, you will need to pay for your courses upon enrollment. You can pay for courses online by clicking on the My Finances tab within your My JCCC account, or you can visit the bursar's office in the Student Center during office hours. In addition, you can pay by mailing a check or money order to the college. Step 4 on the enrollment webpage also guides you through the payment process. Don't forget, as a JCCC student, you have full access to our tutoring, library, and academic advising. We look forward to having you as a JCCC Cavalier. Thank you for participating in the College Now program.